welcome to the Hangout with Donna Gets Crafty. Let's go make something. Hey everybody, so I picked up a couple of jars from the Dollar Tree and decided I wanted to use them to create some containers for my bathroom. I cleaned them off with some alcohol because they're going to be painted, and then tried to remove the sticker from the bottom of the jar, which Dollar Tree stickers can be like cement. So I picked up then a jar of Waverly chalk paste in the Agave color, which is such a beautiful color. It really brings out and gives that look of 1930s vintagey, which is the kind of look that I'm going for my bathroom. And you just pretty much only need one, maybe two layers of Waverly chalk paint. I think I did 2 layers on this one. It just gives such a beautiful color. I didn't want it to be any sheer or see through it at all. I wanted it to be completely opaque. So I painted up the 2 jars, and when they were done, I took a little piece of sandpaper and just roughed it up a little bit to give it that, additional vintagey kind of. I've been sitting around in a someone's bathroom for a really long time, or I picked it up at an antique store. You just want to be sure that your paint is completely dry, because if it's not, you start smooshing it around like that, and it really can pull off a lot more paint than you really want to have pulled off of there. After that's done, I'm going to take a cloth and clean off all of the dust, because I'm going to be putting a Cricut-made transfer on it, little labels that I created. Not everybody has a Cricut maker. If you want to have a printable of these, there's going to be a link below. You can use that as a rub-on transfer. If you like the Cricut words in this really cool, it's kind of Ray done, but not really. It's just a really nice font that Cricut has there. And if you would like to order some words, these words, other words, you'll be able to find some in my Etsy store, which will also be linked below. So you simply take the transfer, put it on your surface, use a squeegee to rub over it, and the sticker itself sticks to the surface, but the transfer tape doesn't. I still have yet to figure out this magic. Other people have picked up Cricut a lot faster than I have, which is bothersome to me, because I consider myself a reasonably crafty person. But as you see, as we progress, you will see that nope, I have a lot to learn. Well, there are my jars, and there go my cotton swabs, which are going to sit in there. And take a little piece of raffia, put it on there, and somehow I'm kind of like moving off of the camera there a little bit too. Oh, sorry, still a learning curve. So I like that little raffia, and there come the cotton balls that go sit in the little jar, and look how cute they are. So then I took a can that I had already had painted for another project, but I decided to use this one instead. And I put a little piece of painter's tape there to block it off, because I just want to have the bottom in that beautiful agave paint color. I don't know what's going on with my words today. So I painted that off, and being the impatient person I am, I decided to use my blow dryer to speed it up. And let me tell you something. This paint was not set. I should have put something on it to help for it to set, like a poly or I guess even Mod Podge, but it was just, nope, it was not doing it. It was pulling off the paint and it wasn't sticking, but I am going to be determined, even though I wanted to take it at this point and throw my paintbrushes and my makeup brushes into a Ziploc bag and leave them there, I decided to take some vellum. Vellum to the rescue. It is a nice, smooth, it's not paper. I don't really know what it is. Anybody out there know what vellum is made out of? Anyway, so that's what I decided to use, and you'll see that the stickers stick really nicely to that. So if you are liking what you see, I would appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up and a follow, so that you can follow me along in my new adventure of redoing our whole house, since we are now an empty nest. Oh, look how nice that looked. Vellum came through. I put a couple of dots of Aleene's tacky glue to make sure that it was nice and secure onto the can. I don't know where I went at that point. Oh, I think that I dropped it. I don't know what happened. I dropped my phone, and look, and now it's being done again. So not exactly the most skilled at editing. I'm going to be the first to admit that. Of course, my twine, I put twine on a lot of things, and so I just put it on the top, middle, and bottom of this, and it holds my makeup brushes in there. And this is how it looks. I'm not showing the rest of the bathroom because it needs to really be updated, but this is my start. So I would love to have you subscribe and follow me along and leave me a message and give me some ideas, if you have any, on how I should have handled the paint on that little can there. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great crafting day.